Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 linear equations in two variables. In our general life, we come across many situations like, for example, if 5 pence cost rupees 60, then what is the cost of 1 pen? Yes or no, students? For example, if you say, if you are asked your father to buy some pens, if your father buy some pens like this, 5 pens cost rupees 60, then what is the cost of 1 pen? You don't know. Okay, what is the cost of one individual pen? But what he knows, he paid out of 5 pens, he paid how much? Rupees 60 only. So in this situation, what is the unknown quantity? ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లో మనకు తెలియని ఒకటి ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అన్నోన్ క్వాంటిటీ? దట్ ఈస్ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 1 pen. Yes or no? We know clearly the cost of 5 pence is rupees 60, but we don't know the cost of 1 pen. Yes? So clear, the unknown quantity, what Anna? In that cost of 1 pen is equals to, if you take rupees x, then what happen? 5 pence cost is equals to what, Nana? 5 pence cost is equals to rupees 60. Then 5 into the cost of 1 pen is equals to what, Nana? Rupees x. Then we can write 5x is equals to what? 60. So that is 5x is equals to 60. So this is which type of equation? Clearly we can write like this: 5x minus 60 is equals to 0 if we transpose 60 to LHS side. Then the highest degree what, Nana, here? The highest degree of the variable here is 1. This is what, Nana? Linear equation. This is which type of equation, Nana? It is a linear equation. Now we use the unknown quantities. The unknown quantities key, we can use the variable. X is what, Nana, here? Variable. Okay, na English alphabet small letters ni we can use for variables. Now see the second situation also. A number when added to 7. The second situation, a number when added to 7 gives what, Nana? Gives 51. Find that number. Okay, in situation 1, the unknown quantity is the cost of 1 pen. In situation 2, you see a number when added to 7 gives 51. So find that number. So in situation 2, clearly what is the unknown quantity here? The unknown quantity what, Nana? That is a number. So that's why let a number be, you take x, then what happened? A number when added to 7. అంటే ఆ నెంబర్ని నేను ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటున్నా. ఓకే, ఈ ఎక్స్ అనే నెంబర్కి ఇఫ్ వి యాడ్ 7, ఓకే 7 యాడ్ చేస్తున్నా, ఇట్ గివ్స్ వాట్ నాను, ఇట్ గివ్స్ 51. నౌ if I transpose like this, x plus 7 minus 51 is equals to 0. Now x plus 7 minus 51 means that is minus 44 is equals to 0. Now this is which type of equation? This is which type of equation? This is also linear equation. What is the coefficient of x here? 1. What is the degree of this equation? That is what nano? Highest degree is 1. So in this situation 1 and situation 2, these two are what nano? Linear equations with the one variable. Now consider the second situation. Consider the following situation. One day Ramesh went to a bookshop with his father to buy 4 notebooks, and 2 pens. Okay, his father paid rupees 100 for this. Okay na students? So what is the situation here? One day Ramesh went to a bookshop with his father to buy 4 notebooks and 2 pens. His father paid rupees 100 for this. 4 notebooks ki 2 pens ki కలిపి వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ ఎంత పే చేశాడు? 100 పే చేశాడు. బట్ in this situation we don't know clearly the cost of 1 notebook and cost of 1 pen. What are the 2 unknowns here? The 2 unknowns what nana? The unknown quantities what are? The cost of 1 notebook is equals to, we don't know, yes, and the cost of 1 pen is equals to, we don't know. In this situation here 2 quantities. One is we don't know the cost of 1 book and we don't know the cost of 1 pen. So what I am taking, the cost of 1 notebook is x anukuntunna. The cost of 1 pen is equals to, I taken rupees y. The cost of 1 notebook is equals to rupees x. The cost of 1 pen is equals to rupees y. Then we can write the cost of 4 notebooks plus 2 pens is equals to rupees 100. Then 4 of 1 notebook cost is equals to what nana? That is rupees x, plus 2 of 1 pen cost what nana? That is rupees y is equals to 100. Now 4x plus 2y is equals to what nana? 100. Now this is a linear equation. This is what nana? 4x plus 2y is equals to 100. Okay, if we transpose 100 to LHS side, then what happened? It becomes minus 100. Yes or no? That is equals to 0. అంటే 4x plus 2y minus 100 is equals to 0. This is a linear equation. What is the degree of the variables? ఇక్కడ degree of the variable ఏంటి? 1. Degree of the variable ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? 1. So the highest degree of the variable is 1 only. So this is the linear equation with two variables. One is x, one is y. Okay, so we can say that in this situation, in general, a linear equation with two variables x and y in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. A comma b comma c are real numbers and a or b not simultaneously 0. What is the linear equation in two variables, Nana? A linear equation with two variables x and y in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Clearly a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. Okay, a or b not simultaneously 0. So this is the linear equation with two variables. In this situation, the two variables are x and y. Not only x and y, you can take like this. For example, 3p plus 7q is equals to 20. This is also a linear equation with two variables. What are the variables here? P, Q. Okay, now next we can write 11m minus 17n is equals to 21. This is also a linear equation with two variables. What are they? What are the variables here? M, n. Okay, so these are the examples, Nana. Thank you. Yes.